Good morning, students. So, today we are going to discuss another topics of the geography books. That is one chapter we already started, that is the geographical natural regions of the world. Among them, previous day, you can say we already finished the desert area. So, today we are going to discuss about the tropical monsoon climate. Okay. So, tropical monsoon climate, if you want to discuss, so that time first thing we have to understand which area is considered as, which area is called the tropical monsoon area. Okay, tropical monsoon area, which area is considered as tropical monsoon area. If we want to discuss on the basis of location, so that time we can easily understand the area, you can say the tropical monsoon type climate is found in the where the differential land and heating, land of water and heating, heating of land and water, and a complete, you can see, the seasonal reversal wind take place over there. So this area is considered as the, you can say, the tropical monsoon climate area. Perhaps you can see on my screen. So these are area where you can find the, in the world map, tropical monsoon climate area. So this area, Panama area, in central portion of the North and South America, then come to all over India and the Myanmar, okay, some portion of this area, then eastern side of the Africa, then Madagascar, then you can say the northern part of the Australia. So this portion, somehow you know, this portion is considered as the tropical monsoon type of climate. So one by one we have to discuss their locations. Okay, monsoon type climate means the this wind actually coming from the different direction. Okay, so that come from the different direction means the in the summer season that is coming from the one direction, in the winter season that is coming from the another direction. If we take example of India, so the perhaps you know that in India, case of India, during summer season, you can say during summer season, from this side southwest monsoon is coming. Okay, this is the southwest monsoon. Okay, southwest monsoon. If we discuss in this time, means the eastern side, it is the northern side, but in the winter season wind coming from this side area. Okay, so one of the reversal or the opposite direction, wind are coming from the opposite direction. So that's why it is called the monsoon type climate. And this area is located, you can see the tropical area. So tropical area, which area is considered tropical area? 23 and half degree north to 23 and half degree south. Okay, so this area is considered as the tropical. So monsoon climate we understand. Okay, then tropical we got it. Then come to the another thing, that is the what is the location of that area. If we discuss, so that time easily we can understand that the area or the locations. So location, you can say the offshore area or the where the sea or land can be mixed over there. So this area. Then another come in the areas or regions wise, the entirely you can say the location of the coastal area of the Southeast Asia, India, Myanmar, Bangladesh, Indonesia. Okay, and we can discuss the South China, Philippines. Okay, Philippines. Then come to the this is the location near about, you can say the 10 degree. Okay, so what is the location? 10 degree north. Okay, 10 degree north to, you can say the 30 degree north. So this area widely it is known as the tropical monsoon climate. Okay, so this we have to understand the area wise. Sometimes it can become as per your books. If you see page number 166, there you can find. So what will be the temperature during this time? So if we discuss the temperature of the tropical monsoon climate, so temperature, you can say that can be 23 degree to or 27 degree to 32 degree average temperature over there. And if you want to discuss the in the cool season, that is the winter season, that is the 15 degree centigrade average. Okay, so that can vary, you can see the 12 degree centigrade to 17 degree area to area. Okay, so these are the temperature where we can get this type of you can say the climate. Okay, so these are the pressure and winds. So monsoon type of climate, you can say that greatly affected by the what, the differential heating of land and water. So that can happen in the case of this. And during summer season, the landmass of the Asia, so Asia landmass get it heat. If we discuss, discuss through this map, so that there we can understand easily. Okay, in this map, by this map easily we can understand that this area means this area get it heat. Okay, this area get heat during this time. Okay, and what happened due to this area create the low pressure. Okay, and this low pressure, you can see that attract the high pressure wind from the sea. Okay, from the ocean. Here you can see the Bay of Bengal, Arabian Sea. Okay, all this sea over you can see, and due to this fact, what happened, the you can see the rainfall occurs. So these are the differential character between land and sea. Okay, land and ocean, or land and water bodies. So this thing we have to understand one by one. Okay, another thing somehow let me, okay, so these are the we consider this water, this is the pressure and wind belts. Then come to the precipitation. So what are the precipitation in the, you can say that if you, in the case of this area, so India gets the rainfall during June, then July, and then August and September. So during this time means the southwest monsoon come in India, and 7th June is the official date. From there monsoon start to come India, and rainfall occurs all over India. Okay, so these are the area. So summer, winter and rainy season you can find over. We already discussed in the chapter of, you can see the climate. Okay, then come to the western coast, western Ghats, there gets the highest rainfall, means this area gets the highest rainfall. Then northeast India, where this area gets the highest rainfall. Okay, Meghalaya, Mizoram, okay, Assam, Tripura, so this area gets the highest rainfall. So this we have to discuss one by one. Okay, so we already discussed this thing. Then another thing, the characteristics of the features in those seasonal reservoir. Okay, reversal, you can say the wind of the in the chief features. Then come to temperature, 15 degree centigrade, and that time sometime in the hot temperature, or in the hot season the 32 degree temperature will be there. And somehow you can know this distinction can be identified of the cool season, which is November to September, February. Then hot season, March to May. So this is the I think the March, April, May, this is the hot dry season. Then wet season, that is the June, July, August. Okay, September, October. Okay, then come to the this time. So what are the, so these are the our characters of this. Then another, if we discuss another way, so what will be the, you can say the natural vegetation. What is the natural vegetation found over India? Okay, what are the natural vegetation found over India? Okay, first thing, that what are the natural vegetation we can find over in tropical monsoon time. Southeast Asia and the equator resembles the tropical rainforest over found there. Okay, some of the species you can see shisha, ramus, mango, neem, sandalwood. Okay, and many others vegetation are found over India. So that's the main you can see the tropical monsoon type of, you can see the vegetation we can found over there. Intensive substances farming over practice over there. Okay, means the rice, wheat, jute. Okay, so these are the main crops are cultivated. Plantation means the tea, coffee, rubber. Okay, tea. Okay, then tea, tea, just a minute. Okay, tea. Okay, then coffee, then rubber. This can be, you can say the, can be grow over here. Okay, so these are the main thing. What is the means if we discuss the human adaptation in tropical regions area. Human adaptation means that this is the lowland and the river valley areas, Ganga, Brahmaputra, and the Indus valley over there, and there they cultivates, you can say the rice, wheat, and one crop and the in the yard, and the sometime you can say the multi-cropping, jute, cotton also cultivated over India. Okay, and mainly we have to, and the rivers valleys are densely populated because of, you can say the river valleys are very populated, because these are the area where the cultivation and the agriculture. Okay, agriculture practice over here. Okay, so this thing we have to understand. Agriculture also practice over there. So this is the main thing where we are we have to discuss. So these are the main area where you can say that we get this type of. And another thing we have to the timber, bamboo, then hardwood, because also they practice and they, you can say, the cultivated over land. Primitive tribes, you can say, the inhabitants also over there. Okay, some of the northeast India, they also. Okay, laterite soils also occurs in India. So laterite soil, except the river valleys where you can find the you can say the alluvial soil. Natural vegetation can be found in the teak, rosewood, okay, then mahogany, and valuable trees which are found in the northern India. Okay, so this is the result of the what? This is the result of the tropical climate. Okay, so this much you have to discuss for this much for today only. Thank you for watching my video. I just requesting all of you that watch more and more this video again and again. Thank you.